It's Christmas. Happy Hanukkah, happy Christmas, happy holidays, whichever refers to you. I hope you guys are having a great time. I am really excited today because I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my A1 that has arrived for my Christmas present. Little bit of history. I have a Creality Ender 3 version 2, which I've had for a few years. Reason I bought that was because in my baking side, I do cookies and I do fondant, and unfortunately, every time I needed a specific design or somebody wanted something specific, I had to either order the cookie cutter online or get somebody to make it for me, which delays time, or else I had to drive down the hill, which is about 15-20 kilometers away, to go and see if they had that design, which a lot of the time they don't. They just have your basics. So if somebody wants something specific or they want a name done or something like that, then I thought it's just a lot easier to get my own 3D printer. Within an hour I can have my cookie cutter done and get baking and get everything done. So that is the reason why I bought my 3D printer in the first place. There's nothing wrong with the Creality Ender 3 version 2. It's just that it doesn't have automatic bed leveling. It's quite a mission to change nozzles. And there's a few things that it just takes time. Every time you need to change the filament, it's a mission as well. So there's nothing wrong with it. The Creality has done me well, and I'm not getting rid of it. I'm keeping it as well. So I'll just keep it going now and again, doing odd things just to sort of keep it moving. But I'm just so excited because I actually saw the A1 a few months ago. I know they came out, I think it was in 2023, from what I can gather. Haven't done that much history on it, but I've been watching a few videos on YouTube and that of people that are using the A1, and they seem to be very happy with it. It's got auto bed leveling. It's easy to change the nozzle, even though the nozzles are more expensive because it comes basically as like a little hole. Don't even know what it's called now. My mind's gone blank. But it clips on and clips off, whereas with the Creality, it's such a mission and you end up with burnt fingers and all the rest of it. So that is easier. Filament changing, all that sort of thing. It just looks like it's easier to work with. So when I saw them advertised on one of our suppliers in Joburg, Pretoria area, they had a Black Friday special, but they didn't have any in stock. So I sent them a message and they were really amazing, and right up to the day that it arrived, they were corresponding with me. They were sending messages. Their sales and service is really amazing. So I booked one, paid a deposit, and they said they'd let me know when it arrives, which they did. The stock actually arrived last week, and so then I ordered some filament from them as well. This is, the name of the company is Build Volume. They're in Pretoria. I think it's Pretoria in Johannesburg. I'm in Durban, so it is a few hundred k's away. So it's Build Volume. So I ordered some filament along with the A1 that I had already booked, and they sent it down with the courier, and it arrived on Christmas Eve. But I was told I wasn't allowed to open it until Christmas, so I had to wait. So then I decided, okay, then I'll do an unboxing, so that anybody else who has ordered one or is waiting for one, you can also see what is in the box, and I will put it together because I believe it's really simple to put together as well. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the unboxing. I will also be doing a setup video as well when I do the setup, and printing one of my cookie cutters or something that, that I'm going to be needing in the next few weeks or so that you can see how the A1 actually does print. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, this is such a sweet little sticker on here. It says, opening this package will cause extreme happiness, which I can promise you that is what I am at the moment. I am very excited. Right, so I'll turn that over, otherwise I'm going to stick to myself. Okay, so first we just have their little instruction book, which I'm going to just take off. It's just the instruction book. I'll leave that there, and then this is the build plate. So let's take that out. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the machine out, and then we'll go through all the extras that are there. Now, I've got enough space to put this down. Okay. Nice big bag of silica gel to keep it nice and dry. Let's take this off and this off. I'll just hook this here. There's a little bit of filament, and that's your tubing that holds the filament. And we have the cable. It's got a plug on that is South African plug. We'll have a look at that, and I think that's everything out the box. So we'll just move the box out of the way. That actually goes that way there. And we just move this box out the way. Right, so I'm doing this backwards so that you guys can see. Okay, see that actually goes like that, but I'm going to leave it like this for now. Okay, so in here we've got clock components. I'm not too sure what that's, if that's just something extra, because I'm sure I never saw that when anyone else was unboxing it. Anyway, let's go through that. Like I said, this is the power cord and spare bit of filament, and then your PTU. Right, let's see. Okay, so this, like I said, this is the magnetic plate, bed, I should say, not plate. Everything getting stuck together very nicely. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's your magnetic head. Put that there. And then in here we have, this is falling apart. This is your snipper. It snips off the excess filament off the actual nozzle. And this is to go onto the filament holder. I'll just put that on now because I'm going to have to do that anyway when I'm setting it up. Okay, and then this is obviously, because ours is South African cord, they've put in a universal cord. That's actually quite handy because if you decide to immigrate to another country, you've got your cord. And then in here, I think is our little toolkit. Yeah, there's our little toolkit. It's got all your little Allen keys and little odds and sods that you need when you changing nozzles and all that sort of thing. So there's our little toolkit. It's very cute. The Ender 3 has a drawer in the front of it, which I don't think this has, but that's fine because there's plenty of places to put your tools. And then this here is filament swatches. So you can go through, if you're going to order the Bambu Lab filament, which I didn't, I ordered, like I said, I ordered my filament from the supplier. Okay, they always make these things so that it's so difficult to open, and I hate breaking the little, or my nail, one of the two. Never mind that, I normally use my nails as screwdrivers and that anyway most of the time, so I don't always, oh my goodness. There we go. Okay. There we go. That is really cool. They've got little swatches of filaments. I'm trying to see. They've got all the different colors. Oh, and it's on an elastic. Oh, that is really cool. So you can see the different filaments that Bambu Lab do, and you can order that exact color. So because sometimes on the actual internet or anywhere really, it depends what color your screen is actually projecting, so that you think, oh, it's a lovely lime green, and when it gets here it's turquoise. So this is actually really nice, so that you can see exactly what the colors are. Oh, I'm very impressed with that. Like I said, not that I actually ordered the Bambu Lab's filament, but if you do want to order the Bambu Lab filament, that's actually a really handy thing to have. Right guys, so that is basically all it is in the box. I remember when I did my Ender 3, it took ages to put up because you have to calibrate everything, and it was actually just a mission. So this is looking like it's going to be awesome to put together, and it doesn't look like it's going to take very long. So that is my unboxing. In the next video I will do the installation and putting everything together, and we'll do a little benchy and see whether the printing actually does come out as well as everybody says. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing, and please subscribe to the channel, and I would really appreciate it if you gave this a like and even share it. That would be really cool. Let's get busy with putting it together.